Hello, and welcome back to our channel today. We are going to show you how to change shipping rates in Shopify. To start this tutorial, make sure you open Shopify.com in your internet browser, and then have your account logged in over at Shopify. Once you are in Shopify, this time, log in your account already by clicking on the Login button. Go ahead, I'll wait for you as you input your username, your email, and your password. Don't worry, I'll be here. Once you log into your store, follow the settings that I am about to do. In here, click on the gear icon that says Settings. Once the settings is loaded, go over and click Shipping and Delivery. Once you're here, scroll down over at Shipping and Delivery. And then click on Manage. Once you are in Manage, go over and click on the rates. In here, you can set the rates depending on the currency that you are using. Make sure you add in the rate name as well. This could be standard, and then click on Done. Now you can see the standard rates all over for your products. Over at International, you can also go ahead, click on the three dots and edit the rate. In here, it all depends on you as a seller. Then click Done once again. Once done, don't forget to click on Save. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well.